Hello guys, one more time and once more I wish you good afternoon, good day, and I want to make one video for you about a thing that is keeping you poor, and this is like a continuation of my previous video which I told you how dog are keeping you poor, but it is not necessarily or specifically dog. Other pets are also keeping you poor, like fish. But now in today's video, I want to talk to you about one more thing that is keeping you poor and that you don't realize. And that thing is much worse than having a pet, because pet is another living thing. It is good thing. And under certain circumstances, having a pet makes sense. But in this next thing I'm going to tell you about, this makes no sense under any circumstances. And this is the worst pandemic I have ever seen in my life. It was something that used to be cool earlier, because it was rare and it was like different. But now it has become so common. It is like a pandemic, epidemic, or whatever plague you can say. And this thing I'm talking about, guys, let me tell you guys something. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. And I'm talking about tattoos. Now I don't understand why people get a tattoo. First of all, let me tell you something about tattoo. And see, this is not a worldwide problem. This is mainly in a big city, urban area. You can say urban area problem, or developed problem. Because there are these small villages in other places. There is developed places which small villages, small settlements. People live in tribes and all of that, and for them getting tattoo is like some symbol for their god or something. So that is still, it is still acceptable in those cultures. It's okay, because that is not something they're doing for fashion or commercial reason or to gain attention. It is for a religious purpose. But in a western country mainly, and in cities, in big cities in the world, even in Asia, you see people, girls, boys, young girl, young boy, teenage boy, teenage girl, and older boys and girls also, they start getting tattoo, and there is no purpose that tattoo serves. So that tattoo is main. Just like monkey, see monkey do some kind of saying like that. So it has become like a fashion thing now in cities and in urban areas. Someone get tattoo, you see your friend get tattoo, so you also get tattoo. And now what is the meaning of that tattoo? Please put that tattoo. Please try to explain it to me. Write a comment below why you got that tattoo. So now everyone I talk to, some people say it is sign of love, like they have some mother father name written on their body. So that I don't know how that makes sense, because mother father, if you don't get tattoo, does it mean that you don't love them? Or if you get tattoo, does it mean you love them more? I don't understand. Some people have their children name or their dog photo or some other stupid thing. They say it is an emotional reason, but I don't see why you need something tattooed on your body permanently to emotional, to show your emotion. And who are you trying to show that emotion to? Your dog does not understand your tattoo. Your parents gave birth to you. They love you anyways. And if you have children, then you also love them regardless of whether you have tattoo or not. And some people say it is what is it that they like that picture. So some people get a picture of a bird or like a fish or some other thing. Some people get, so that again, if you like a picture, make a picture, hang it on your wall in your house. Why make tattoo? And then there are other tattoos that are like ugly tattoos, I would call them, like a picture of a snake or a picture of a devil or a skull. Why do you want that ugly print on your body? I don't understand. Please explain it to me. Please write your comment below. And what else? I was thinking, okay, some people say it is a form of expression, but what kind of expression? What are you trying to express when you did not make that tattoo? Someone else make that tattoo on your body. So what is your expression in that? and now you are in debt because you have to pay for that tattoo, because I'm sure this is become commercial thing in cities now. So now you have to pay for that tattoo. You have to pay with your credit card, and then pay your credit, and then fall behind on your other payment, like your car payment or your house payment. And then you can't pay that credit card, so you go more into debt. Debit, DEBT, debit or debt. What else? Yeah, in funny animal, they make picture of lion on their body. They think they become lion. They make picture of octopus. Octopus is such a ugly animal. It is a fishy animal, but it is ugly. And yeah, and then media also promote tattoo because they make a TV show with some kind of ink. They said in Discovery Channel. I know there was one show. It is all become commercial now. Does not look good. I don't understand the beautiful people, boys, girls. I see beautiful people with a ugly tattoo. It is such a disgrace, man. It is bad for society, guys. I tell you. Back in the day, in 80s, 90s, maybe gang member or prison people had people in prison. What you call them? Inmate. They call them inmate. They had tattoo. Because that was, I don't know why, but they were like a member of gangs. You get some kind of symbol to show that you're a member of gangs. So when you come face to face, you don't kill each other. You get, you respect each other, shake and go for drink or do whatever. And then there was some tattoos like, I remember back in the day, one famous actress from Hollywood, her name is Marisa Tomei, I think her name. She won an Oscar award. What is it called? Oscar award or Grammy award for acting? Oscar award, Academy award, they call it. She had tattoos, so that was nice tattoo, small tattoo, and it was different because nobody else had tattoo. But now it is not original, not self-expression, not expression of love, not religious symbol. It is just stupid stain on your body. Your body look much better without tattoo. And here one more thing I want to say about a tattoo. People get tattoo, they get loads. Like I'll give you example of Joe Rogan. His arm is full of tattoos. Both his arms, I think, or one of his arms is full of tattoos. Now can anyone tell you what that tattoo is about? What picture that is? No, Joe Rogan will have to tell you, oh, this tattoo I got for this reason, this tattoo I got for this reason, and this is really cool tattoo for this reason. Oh my god, what sense does that make? And then also, black people make tattoo. So black people have dark skin, and not just black people, dark skinned people have dark skin, and then tattoo is black. So it is not even visible, you can't even see. Guys, please stop this tattoo nonsense. That is all I want to say on this video. Actually, because also main reason is tattoo is making you poor, because it costs so much money. You got many tattoo after another $1,000 tattoo. It is making you poor, guys. So realize that, stop this tattoo nonsense. Okay guys, I will stop this video also now. Yalla bye.